Hi grown-ups, welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith and this is your weekly update. This week, your kids will be doing a Test Tube Tuesday lesson, a Thoughtful Thursday lesson, and a Wonderful Woman lesson on Saturday. On Tuesday, your kids will learn all about glaciers and they'll get to make their very own ice cream glacier. Yum! On Thursday, your kids will make their very own homemade chicken noodle soup that they can give to a friend or a neighbor who's feeling under the weather. And on Saturday, your kids will learn about the amazing Harriet Tubman, and they'll also make a lantern that's reminiscent of the lantern that Harriet Tubman or any of the slaves might have carried as they traveled on the Underground Railroad. All of the supplies for all of these activities are listed below this video, and they're on the individual videos as well. Thank you so much. Have a great week.